In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create and manage multiple email signatures in GoDaddy Webmail to make your communication more professional and efficient. So let's get started. Log into your GoDaddy Webmail account. On the main page, click on the gear located in the upper right corner and on the All Settings button. Next, select Signatures from the side menu. To add multiple signatures, you can use this button. We've already created the first signature. Now let's create a second one for sales and a third minimalist one using ByBrand. Navigate to your ByBrand dashboard and click on the Signatures menu. You'll see the first default signature created. So let's create the other two signatures, one for sales and one minimalist for internal communication. For our tutorial, I'll choose this template for the sales. Note that you can customize it with your personal information and a banner. However, to not make this tutorial too long, we will only add the employee's name. Now let's create the second signature. Done. The two signatures have been created. Here they are. Now we're ready to paste the signature in GoDaddy. Click on the Paste in Email button and then select the HTML code option. Copy the code to the clipboard. Go back to the GoDaddy panel and we'll add these signatures to the account. Repeat the same process for the minimalist signature. When creating multiple signatures, you can select which one to use for each message. To do this, click on the dotted icon when composing a new email and select the signature from the drop-down list. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you can take advantage of this functionality to make your communication more efficient and professional.